Sparisam.
God governs everything. Welcome to Sparisam YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at Punggol Park Connector in Singapore. So far, what we know about Singapore is that it has skyscrapers, beautiful and modern places with dazzling lights, modern roads with modern vehicles, busy people all across the city. Instead, what we will see through this video is evergreen, beautiful and very natural places in Singapore. Come on, let's dive into the nature of Singapore. People use Park Connector for exercise and that too mainly for running, jogging and cycling. This Park Connector starts from Punggol on one end to Jurong on the other end of Singapore. The total distance of the park link from Punggol to Jurong is 32.7 kilometers. Now, we're at the back of the Punggol Waterway Point Mall. Basically, this place will have people at all time just because of the mall. People usually relax in this place because of the nearby river. Due to the rain, there are no people around, so it makes life easy for us to record this video. In the shopping center, only few floors on the ground are designated for shops, and the rest on the top are used as apartments. The people of Singapore are all health conscious. They exercise regularly. Normally we see a lot of people exercising here. Because of the rain, we can only see a few today. We can see some of the historical moments of Singapore stitched on the wall. We can enjoy this as we pass by. Have you ever noticed a non-green place in the way? That we have traveled so far in this video? You will certainly never see such a place in the rest of our journey. The reason is that Singapore attaches such a great importance to nature and greenery. Please keep track of how many places are there for bypassers to rest or relax. Look at the beautiful bridge over this road. Isn't it really nice? This is Safra Punggol. It is like a mall, but it consists of arts and craft training centers, tutorial centers, gym, bowling, and a small theme park for kids. See, such a beautiful place! I think this is the best place for you to relieve your stress and keep your mind calm and peaceful. If you're around, you're so lucky to enjoy in here. This is police beacon machine, installed to monitor the activity of Park Connector. In an emergency, you can use this device to contact the police control center. You can even make use of video call facilities available in this machine. Did you notice that? This is an air bubbler, used to oxygenate the water and keep the water odorless. The purpose of oxygenation is to add oxygen to the water, which in turn provides marine life with enough oxygen to live. This is more or less the same as what we have in our aquarium. The water you see here is not a running water, instead it's a standing one. For the reason they installed this air bubbler for every few meters. This is Oasis Terrace, the third mall we are seeing near the river. Here you can see condominium. I will explain the complete difference between HDB and condominium in detail in another video. Basically, this will be called by the name gated community in other countries. The view and the weather looks awesome to us. What do you feel about it? Please do let us know in the comments. This is Lorong Halus Bridge. This bridge is made entirely of steel and wood. I really feel enjoyable while cycling on this bridge. I hope you would feel the same. Similar signs were placed in various places near to the water bodies to explain how much of efforts have been put in to bring this water to our homes, which helps us understand the importance of water. For every few blocks of HDBs, you can find a preschool or kindergarten like this, located just below the apartments. The government has planned in such a way for convenience of kids and parents. We have reached the end of the video. We hope that the path we have passed has made you feel green and pleasant. Okay viewers, shall we meet in our next video? Please stay tuned until our next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.